So you built $1 billion company, about $1.5 billion, sorry. So what's different about AbilityMap from what you've done to date?
Okay, I had a big team of industrial psychs,
Right.
what called IO, industrial organisational psychs. We were so steeped in understanding you as an individual.
That's hard to do.
Yeah, hard to do, and we trained the daylights out of them. Very, very difficult. And then we'd sell that to our clients. But it's very bespoke. It's not scalable. But it also, this is where my breakthrough came, it didn't take into account what drives high performance in that job.
Right.
And I liken it to sport. You know how we now, when you watch all the American basketball, so I know that in order to get into a basketball team, you have to go through a rigorous physical evaluation. What's your wingspan? How high can you jump? How fast can you run over 40 metres, backwards, forward, backwards, forwards? All of those physical characteristics that are measurable. And then when we come to put, a new head of sales in, we say, well, where'd you sell? What did you do before? We don't know exactly what you like. We don't know exactly what we need. And we needed a better way because we can't continue with the failure rate.
32%.
Now,
the one-third problem.
People might find this really interesting, but I challenge, every time I give a talk, I challenge line managers and I say, how do you think your business is going? They go, it's pretty good. I said, okay, answer me this question for your direct reports. If you knew at time of hire what you now know, would you rehire? Definitely yes, possibly no, definitely no. And for everyone that isn't a definitely yes, that is not an ideal recruit. And if the definitely knows, if you've still got any of those on deck, well, get them out of there.
It's funny, actually, I was talking to a university the other day, and this university, the lead on this gets it. She's been amazing. She really gets the difference in what we're bringing to the organization. But she has to sort of convince her team to this is different, right? This is a breakthrough. This isn't the status quo, which requires courage in the HR space.
It does.
Right?
It's brand new technology.
So, but she was really open and transparent, and she goes, Mike, so I understand that you guys can tell us what high performance looks like objectively, but what if we can't determine who are high performers in our organization?
Yeah.
And I mean, this is a university, and essentially she was sharing with me that they don't have an effective, robust performance management process. Mm-hmm. So what I did is I said, well, Kevin asks a question. If at time of hire you knew then what you know now, would you rehire? That means if you say yes, you want more of those.
Exactly.
Right.
And then we can work out what they are, and we can
find more of them.
And we can give you a measure of fit, a percentage. How close do the individuals coming in get to that?
And actually, that was interesting because this particular individual runs a recruitment function, and but what she saw as a byproduct of the recruitment function was being able to show what the current human capability balance sheet looks like versus the pro forma that you need. She was pretty excited about being able to optimize the spend in training and development. Yeah. Because she goes, wow, we could target it where we need to go. And I go, absolutely. Why waste money, right? Mm-hmm. And then the CFO's going, okay, well, at least I know quantitatively that I'm spending my money in the right area.
Yeah.